Nikki.
And I'm Haley.
And we're gonna try the Phantom for the first time. So we just got back. That ride was so fun.
So fun. It was so speedy.
Felt safe too.
Yeah, I felt really safe.
Very stable.
Yeah.
The brakes were good. We went downhill, uphill, everything. Long
it was super
ride.
easy to like navigate because there's 3 different levels.
Yeah.
And then you can like trust the brake fully, like going downhill.
I went all the way to speed level 3.
You did?
Pretty fast.
I was staying at a steady 2.
Yeah. The fastest, I was probably going 25 miles per hour. So going up the hill, it's a little easier than going down, I think, but the brakes work really well, so I have a lot of faith in them. I mean, it's pretty easy going downhill.
Yeah, you have to get used to like shifting your weight, but after a while, after like riding on it for a while, you get like pretty used to shifting your weight.
Yeah, I mean, first time and I was going pretty fast downhill.
It was so fun. I want to ride again. Get a board. You should definitely get a freaking board.
Yeah, definitely get one of these. So fun. I'm Nikki. You can find me at nikki.vetch. That's nikki.vetch.
And I'm Haley, and you can find me at Hales Frost on Instagram. And that's HAILS Frost.
Thanks for watching.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.